Bitcoin is moving again. But this time, it's not just another rally. It's the beginning of something much bigger. A movement toward a six-figure target that's gaining serious momentum. $146,000 isn't just a dream anymore. It's becoming a plausible reality, supported by data, institutional momentum, and macroeconomic shifts. In this video, we'll unpack where this number comes from, why it matters now, and what it means for you as an investor. Let the countdown begin. Oh, why are experts eyeing $146,000? To understand this, we need to zoom out. Bitcoin operates in predictable four-year cycles largely driven by its halving events. Each halving cuts miner rewards in half, slashing the rate of new BTC entering circulation. Historically, these events have preceded massive price explosions. After the 2012 halving, BTC surged over 9,000%. Post-2016, around 2,900%. After the 2020 halving, it climbed 700% to nearly $69,000. Now, following the 2024 halving, many analysts believe Bitcoin could reach between $120K and $150K. Why specifically $146K? That figure comes from a blend of the stock-to-flow model, Metcalfe's law, Fibonacci extensions from past cycles, and institutional capital projections. In short, demand is growing faster than supply, and the math supports it. A lot of people think Bitcoin just follows hype, but there are real fundamental signals driving this rally. 2024 halving impact. The supply shock is already being felt. Daily new supply has dropped by half, while demand from ETFs and institutions is growing. Spot ETFs are live. The approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US was a game changer. BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK, some of the biggest financial institutions in the world, are now allocating client capital into BTC. This is not retail hype. It's cold, calculated institutional investment. Exchange reserves at multi-year lows. According to on-chain data, Bitcoin balances on exchanges are the lowest they've been in years. That means people aren't selling, they're holding. Lightning Network and Layer 2. Growth. Real use cases are growing. Bitcoin isn't just a store of value. It's evolving into a transactional and programmable layer. Macro trends. With global inflation concerns, currency devaluation, and geopolitical instability, Bitcoin is gaining attention as a hedge, especially in emerging markets. But it's not all sunshine. If you're going to be smart about this market, you also need to understand the risks. Volatility is still real. Bitcoin can drop 30% in a week and still be in a bull market. If you panic sell, you lose. Regulatory uncertainty. While the ETF approvals were a win, governments could still crack down on self-custody, mining, or stablecoins, which could shake investor confidence. Leverage and overexposure. Many traders get burned during bull runs because they over-leverage, trying to double gains. When the correction comes, they get liquidated. Retail euphoria. Once media hype returns, new investors tend to buy tops, panic at dips, and repeat the cycle. Don't be one of them. Bottom line, bullish doesn't mean reckless. Have a plan, zoom out, and stay informed. So how do you position yourself? Here's what smart investors are doing. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Consistently investing small amounts, regardless of price. It lowers your emotional risk and smooths out volatility. Set your exit points. Know your target before you hit it. If 146K is your dream target, think about taking profits gradually on the way up. Secure your assets. Use cold storage. Not your keys, not your coins. Diversify, but stay focused. Bitcoin may lead, but high-quality altcoins tend to follow. Allocate wisely and avoid meme hype. If Bitcoin reaches $146,000, the landscape changes entirely. BTC would have a market cap over $2.8 trillion, rivaling gold's share of global assets. Wall Street would be fully in. Banks, pension funds, sovereign wealth funds. Altcoins would likely explode as capital flows down the risk curve. And most importantly, early educated investors would be in a life-changing position. If you're serious about navigating this Bitcoin cycle like a pro, don't do it alone. Hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and tell us in the comments, when do you think Bitcoin will hit 146K? And for exclusive insights, deep dive analysis, and weekly strategies you won't find on YouTube, head over to blockchaindudes.com, your trusted source for crypto intelligence, market updates, and real tools for smart investors. See you in the next one. And remember, in crypto, those who prepare win.